Many of you believe that I am older than how I look. I'm 55 years old, but me know me look like me 65, 70. You see, when you start get bamboo young, you mature and develop early. Roger Clark father-in-law start give me bamboo at 7 years old. So in order to be getting bamboo at 7 years old, you have to develop, because if you 7 and the owner for that bamboo 65, 70 at that time, then life behoves me, if that's the correct word, that I would have to develop quickly. And then me never develop fast enough when Errol Longmore thing to say my body when me have a female one, so him fi take it. So you see, that is why me so prime. From me 7, 8, 9, me the counselor in the family. Everybody a tell me them man and woman story. Everybody a give me them picnic fi grow from me a 9. From me a 9, me a grow people picnic. So you can't blame me say me look so pop down and you'd have to go way back. Go blame the genesis of what break me out into who I am. I can't help it. But you know me realize when me a picnic grown up, nobody never did care about butt. How is it everybody is now so into this big butt and this butt? Everybody take a picture as butt them show. Everybody who want to spend money is butt them want to fix. Ivan run a live the other day, she want money because of butt she want to do. Why is it everybody now is so interested into butt? That is why the vag have little to no effect now. It is called the other hole. The butt is the most significant. What a way how life change. Life change in such a way that you have to be paying social media now if you don't want to see advertisement. You remember how once upon a time you have to pay to get advertisement? You have to pay to advertise your product? No. Things is so different that you have to be paying now if you don't want advertisement to come in your daily devotion or advertisement to come in whatever you're doing. You have to pay. Yes, man. Things and time change really, really fast. But me still there. All lack of church mouse, but still there, but tango through.